This is your commitment. Every day, like you don't say, should I every day brush my teeth? You don't ask anybody. Yes, if you want to keep your teeth, you have to. And you can brush only those teeth which you want to keep it.
Guruji, once a person makes a decision to seek the divine in themselves, how does one balance life's obligations with spiritual life?
Have you any time ridden a bicycle? How do you balance a bicycle? You just do it. That's it. If you are feeling burned out in your social obligation, come to spirituality. If you are becoming too lazy and too complacent, come on, push you into the society world. Go and do your work. You have to balance both. You know, sometimes people in the garb of spirituality become so lazy. So lazy, they want everything to be on their platter, don't want to do anything. You know, not to make any effort at all. That is no good. So you have to have that balance. That's why in all this meditation centers and ashrams, there's a lot of work to do. Because so many people are coming, different type of people come, and you have to cater to everybody's needs, take care of everyone, and maintain your calmness. That's the real thing in it. You can flare up, you can keep shouting and yelling, but no, you can't do that. You have to keep your mind calm and keep doing your work. That is the training that one can get in this atmosphere, you know. Like if you take up a job as an air hostess, you have to have a smile there. If you can't do that, you can be in the immigration office. In the immigration office, they can be very stern. Police in the keep a tough face. How to balance spiritual and material life? You want to balance it? You can do it. Make a program for yourself. Every year, I will take 1 week off for myself, or 2 weeks off. Every 6 months, I'll go on a retreat for 4 days, 5 days, do an advanced course, meditation sessions. Once a week, I will do long kriya. Once in 15 days, I will sit and sing with people. Spend couple of hours listening to some knowledge. This is your commitment. Every day, like you don't say, should I every day brush my teeth? You don't ask anybody. Yes, if you want to keep your teeth, you have to. And you can brush only those teeth which you want to keep it. So you want to have certain sanity in life. You don't want to go insane. Take a few minutes and read, meditate, engage in these activities. But if you can't some days, never mind. But on a regular basis, keep a few minutes. You know, even when you are driving, instead of thinking about what happened yesterday, day before, 10 days or 10 years back, at least listen to some knowledge, listen to some music. Keep yourself on a high energy note with all this. You see what I'm saying?